Greetings, ambitious founders and growth-driven entrepreneurs. Today's focus is on a critical aspect that can make or break your pitch to investors: how to convey scalability in your pitch deck. Let's dive into crafting a narrative that highlights your startup's potential for exponential growth. Begin with the market opportunity. Illustrate the size of the market you're targeting and how your startup is positioned to capture a significant portion. This sets the stage for discussing scalability. Next, detail your business model's adaptability. Describe how your operations, technology, and revenue strategies are designed to grow, showcasing your preparedness for expansion. Traction speaks louder than projections. Share your growth metrics, customer acquisition rates, and any market penetration success stories. This real-world evidence supports your scalability claims. Discuss your technology and infrastructure robustness. Highlight how your solution is built to scale, ensuring quality and performance as demand increases. This demonstrates technical preparedness for growth. Your team is your strongest asset in scaling. Showcase the experience, skills, and readiness of your team to manage the complexities of growth, reinforcing confidence in your capability to scale. Customer success stories can be powerful. Share examples of how your product or service has scaled with clients or in new markets, adding credibility to your scalability narrative. Finally, outline your future plans for scaling. Be clear about your roadmap, including strategic expansions, potential markets, and how you plan to overcome scaling challenges. By highlighting scalability in your pitch deck, you're not just sharing a vision, you're demonstrating a strategic, data-backed path to exponential growth that aligns with investor ambitions for high returns. Now, over to you. How have you showcased scalability in your pitch to make it irresistible to investors? Share your approaches and let's inspire each other towards greater growth and success.